Hi guys, Carol here from Lalainspired. Welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy to have you here. Today I wanted to show you guys how fun and easy it was to create my very own New Year's Eve photo booth props using Cricut Design Space and print and cut. So let's take a look. So here we are in a blank canvas in Cricut Design Space. And what I want to do is go right here and search under projects on the left-hand side. And Cricut has so many amazing things here, but I want to search for New Year's because I am looking to do a photo booth. And it's right here on the very first row. And I'm gonna click that and look at how cute all these are. You just need some bamboo skewers that you can hot glue onto these. But what I want to show you is that although it comes with all these amazing instructions and materials you're going to need to cut and all these other things you will need to finish your project, I instead want to do print and cut. And that way I can avoid cutting and gluing all these paper cardstocks. So first, let's take a look at how cute this is. It's super adorable. And I'm not gonna click make it because that will bring you to just the mat right away. What I wanna do is customize. And then I'm gonna show you all these beautiful images that come up here. Just gonna make that down to 50. So what I did is, let's say for example, I am going to take the martini, and when you click on it and go over here and you look at cocktail glass, it shows you you're gonna need green cardstock, black, white, and gray, just for this image. Well, I wanna avoid having to hot glue all these, and what I am gonna do is I'm going to highlight it, and then I'm gonna come down to the bottom and click this button, flatten. Now my image went from all these basic, cutting of the cardstock to a print and cut that you will see there. So let me bring you back out. I already saved it under my projects so you can see what I have done. So I'm gonna open it. And what I wanna do is hit customize again. And I'm just gonna replace because that was a project I don't need. I already created mine. So here is the one I did. I took the images that I wanted to keep and I duplicated some because of course, when you do photo props and a booth, everyone wants one, everyone loves these. So I did two of, the ones I think would be popular. So I just duplicated them. But in order to flatten them, all you need to do is highlight them completely and then press the button flatten. So all my images have been flattened. I'm gonna come up here and I'm gonna make sure that my Maker 3 is the one that is selected. If not, there is a drop down there and it'll show you all the machines. Mine is the Maker 3, and then I'm just gonna click make it, and I wanna show you what this is gonna start to look like. Be sure to have your printer ready because it's now gonna be print and cut for all the images there. Okay. And when we press continue, it checks your maker and you want to click send it to the printer. And I always like to deselect the add bleed button. I like to do that because I don't want it to bleed out here on the edges. So I'm just going to click print. But I have finished printing. I'm gonna come back here to my screen and now I'm on step 2 and it says select set base material. And it's always on favorites. You just wanna click on popular and it's just medium cardstock because I'm not using any of these smart materials. And you always have this little option to remember your material settings. And because I have so many more to print here, I'm gonna click that little button. That way it doesn't continue to ask me. All right, and I have already put my cardstock down onto my Cricut mat and I'm gonna go load it now to the maker. Guys, here is my little printer and it's just a Canon printer. and it comes out so beautifully, and I think it's gonna be the right size. Let's check it out. Very nice. Pretty cool. Hey, so all my designs are finally out. Look how pretty. The print and cut was so nice and easy. And all I needed to use was white cardstock paper that I had here, right here in my craft room. So now my biggest choice is, do I use a regular skewer? Okay. Or like a, yeah, it's really cute. It's really long. It's the same size as the straw, but look how cute these paper straws are from the dollar store. I will probably need maybe 2 of these because I think I have more than 10. But let me show you what it would look like. So I'm just going to take the lips here. And by the way, regarding the lips and the way that my maker cut it, I had a little bit of fuzz on my mat, and that's why it kept not wanting to cut this little edge, but it worked out okay. I used my scissors and I still cut it, and look how cute this would be. And I'm just gonna flip this around. And you guys, this is just a super simple project that you guys know for New Year's, people are just gonna throw it out. And so we just wanna have some fun for the pictures, and look how cute and adorable this is. I love it. If you wanted to get fancy, you can print 2 of these and make sure that you mirror one of them so you can put the other one on this side. So that's always an option available to you. But look how cute it looks with a paper straw with a little bit of confetti on it. And so I always use my Lynn and Lily hot glue gun, and it's cordless. I love it so much. I have another one in stock, but I love this glue, and it comes in very handy. So I'm just going to do my next project. Sorry, my next my next photo booth prop, and right down the middle, and voila, cute and fun, and it's so cute. I am loving it. Look how it looks so far. Okay, you guys, now that everything is done, what did you guys think of the project? It was fun and easy, right? Let me know what you thought about it in the comments. Please like and subscribe to my channel. I appreciate you all, and have a wonderful New Year's.